Welcome dear students. My name is DN Sukla from LPM Public School. Dear students of class 6, today I have taken topic of English literature, Go Girl Go. This is the heading of the chapter. Dear student, sport in India has been largely about men, but in 2018 women changed the world of Indian sport. So it is clear that before 2018, the sport in India has been largely about men. But in 2018, our Indian sport women changed the world, their opinion about Indian sport at the Asian Games in Jakarta, that is in Indonesia, and the Commonwealth Games in Queensland, that is in Australia. Dear student, talented and hard-working Indian sportswomen broke many records and won more medals than ever before. So it had changed the opinion of the world about Indian sport regarding women, female athletes. Read these newspapers reports about 3 sport women who performed especially at the Asian Games in 2018. So dear student, there are 3 newspaper reports are given in your chapter about sport women, about 3 sport women and their performance in games in sports were exceptionally, and they were participate in Asian Games in 2018. So firstly we are going to talk about Hima Das. Dear student, Hima Das won India's first ever gold medal at the IFA World Under 20 Athletics Championship in Finland in 2017. Now I am going to tell you some information. I am going to give you some information about Hima Das. Hima Das born 9 January 2000 in Dhing, Nagaon, state of Assam. Her nickname is Dhing Express. She is called Dhing Express by her fans. She supports education for girls in her village. So she is also a social worker. She is an Indian sprinter from Assam. She holds the current Indian national record in 400 meter with a timing of 50.59 seconds that she clocked at the 2018 Asian Games in Jakarta, Indonesia. She is the first Indian athlete to win gold medal in a track event at IFA World Under 20 Championship. Her height is 5 feet 6 inch and weight is 52 kilograms. She participates in events of 100 meter, 200 meter, 400 meter. Her coach is Nipon Das. Now we will talk about her achievements. Dear student, her achievements are: she had completed 100 meter in 11.47 seconds in 2018 in Asian Games, and 200 meter 23.10 seconds, and 400 meter in 50.59 seconds in 2018. In Asian Games, now we are going to talk about her position in Asian Games. She got 2 times first position and 1 time second position in Asian Games, and in World Under 20 Championship she got first position. So total we can say she got first position 3 times and 1 time second position. And she is also named UNICEF India's first youth ambassador. So overall we can say that Hima Das is proud for our nation. Now I am going to read and explain a newspaper report that was published in Jakarta 27th of August 2018. The newspaper Dawnbreak. Hima Das of India bags gold and silver at Asian Games. It was the title of the news that was published in Jakarta. Congratulations are pouring in for India's star athlete from Assam. Lots of congratulations are being given to the star athlete from Assam, India, whose name is Hima Das. She recently won 1 gold and 2 silver medals for the country in the Asian Games at Jakarta. Dear student, she is congratulated for winning 1 gold medal and 2 silver medals for the country, our country, India, in the Asian Games at Jakarta. The sprinter opened her account with a fantastic finish in the women's 400-meter event. She has won and started a fantastic finish in the women's 400-meter event. She won the silver with a record timing of 50.59 seconds. She followed it up with a silver in the mixed 4 times 400-meter relay. So these all are her achievements. She was also a part of the women's quartet that claimed the gold in the 4 times 400-meter relay. Her coach first spotted her in an inter-district event in 2016. Dear student, she was going to participate in an inter-district event in 2016. Over there, her coach spotted her firstly, where she bagged the gold in both 100-meter and 200-meter. So where she had participated in 2 races, first 100-meter race and 200-meter, and she won gold medal in both. She would start slow and peak toward the end. Now it is about her style of running. That firstly she starts slowly and then peak toward the end, toward the target, which made her perfect for the 400-meter event. And this style made her perfect to achieve 400-meter events. And so she shifted to 400-meter, and due to her such type of style of running, she shifted herself from 100 meter and 200 meter to 400 meter. Hima says that she was interested in sports from her childhood, and Hima informed about her that she was interested since her childhood for sports and games. Initially, she dreamed of representing India in football. So it was her dream to represent India in football. Her family says that a school teacher made her choose athletics over her first love. So, as her first love was to be a player of football match, but one of her school teacher made her choose athletics, and now she is one of the nation's star athlete, and now we can say that she is star sport woman of India. She is nation's star, and she is also proud for our country. So this is about Hima Das. You can search more about Hima Das through internet. If you need some more information, then you can go through internet. And Hima Das is the splendid sprinter of our country. Dear students, now we are going to talk one more Indian sport woman whose name is Swapna Burman. She is a heroic heptathlete. Dear student, heptathlete is a game that is called heptathlon. Heptathlon means it is a track and field event. It is combined events contest made up of 7 events. The name comes from hepta for 7 and athlon for feet. So a competitor in this event is called a heptathlete. And now we will talk about Swapna Burman. She won the gold at the 2017 Asian Championship for heptathlon and received 1.5 lakh as annual sports scholarship from Great Sport Infra in 2016. She is from Jalpaiguri in West Bengal. Now, this is a newspaper report about this great woman athlete, and the news had been published in Kolkata 3rd September 2018. Newspaper Roasters call. Asian Games Indian heptathlete wins India its first gold. Swapna Burman clinched India's first ever heptathlon gold at the Asian Games this year. So it is written in the newspaper that this year she means Swapna Burman won India's first ever heptathlon gold. She accumulated 6,026 points from the 7 events that she complete in over 2 days. So she completed her events, 7 events within 2 days, and she collected 6,026 points. Her 7 events were high jump, javelin throw, shot put, long jump, 100 meter run, 200 meter run, and 800 meter run. So these are the 7 events in which she has participated. She was a junior national record holder in high jump before she took up heptathlon on the advice of her coach. So her coach advises her to be the athlete of heptathlon, but before that she was a junior national record holder in high jump. Her coach name is Subhas Shankar, the heroic heptathlete, and to fight pain and discomfort throughout the Asian Games. When she was participating in Asian Games, she was suffering from great pain and discomfortment because she has an extra toe on each foot and did not have customized shoes to suit her feet. Actually, she has extra toe in her each feet, so her shoes was not perfect, not suitable for her, and that was the cause of uncomfort for her. She also had a terrible toothache on the day of the final event when she was going to participate in the final event of the game. She had a terrible toothache and she was suffering from lots of pain. Showing courage and determination, she won the gold medal and made history for India. Despite of these suffering, pain, problems, she showed her courage and determination toward the game, and she won the gold medal and made history for our country, India. She won it on India's National Sport Day, and it was also a very special day that when she won the golds, that was National Sport Day of our country, which made it extra special, and that is why her achievement became extra special. Her next target is to do well in the 2020 Olympics, and she has decided to perform well in 2020 Olympics, and now that is postponed. So we can say that Swapna Burman is also the proud of our country, a great heptathlete. And dear student, the rest part of this chapter will be explained in my next video. I hope you are enjoying it. Thank you very much for watching this video.